Shout out to Hip Hop Public Health. But this song here is for Colgate. And we turning it up right now.
First off, wash your hands for 20 seconds or more. This a brush along, do it to the song. Doc said at least 2 minutes long. 2 times every day, now you're never wrong. Brushing every way, now the plaque's gone. Inside and outside, the top side, bottom, just let your brush glide. Doc told me how, never rinse your mouth. Let the paste do its thing, then you spit it out. Here's one little thing, can't forget about. Never go to sleep with the meal in your mouth.
When you smile, we feel the world smile.
That's right,
Side by side, we brush and we